Good morning, Caroline. As you ask, I will show record how can I search for strings which are being replaced, or location of replacement string. Actually, I have made already a new spreadsheet in this old file, evident mistakes in original strings, and logged those strings which I could follow there. So I have both old phrase location and new phrase location, but let me click on the old phrase. Very good. Here we go. So here we are. That's the old phrase. It has been contested by myself. We had a discussion about it, and I send you the location of the replacement string, and so but we can do it semi-automatically, right? You just have to remember what the string was about, go to content and open the content, and now with this opened, I have this Igor and Esther exercise jumper bookmarklet, which I will use to jump to Eli. Not really. Let's try it again. Where's this? Have to open the exercise. It does not want to open for some reasons. Let's see whether this is correctly. Well, it should be. Okay, very good. So we are on this page. This is the Polish page, and now I use the jumper. And the jumper should provide me with the exercise opened in the translation portal editor. Okay, I have translated it already, this replacement string, so everything is translated, but if I go to side by side, I can now review this exercise, or just have a search for, since we found the magnitude of t. Copy this and here try to search it. Doesn't want to find. Okay, here it is. It's a one entry, so it must be correct. So this is this replacement string, and I get a URL. Let's see whether this is the same URL which I send you. It must be the same. 423318. 423318, yes. And the file number indicator is 25887. 25887. So once more, we go to the old string. From old string via context, we go to the either the page. I could replace it PL, this translate with PL, that would be, then the jumper would work in the same way. From that, there is a Igor and Esther bookmarklet, which I call jumper, which just takes you from this information, this page, into the editor. And if you have the old string in the editor, you may search for it just putting side by side or by pattern And naturally, of course, if you put preview, everything is in Polish, so that we cannot search for it. Okay, it is so simple. Thank you very much.